Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another of my Halloween party series review videos for you. I can't believe that October is almost over and I only have few more videos for you in the Halloween party series, and today I am bringing you some swatches on the Born Pretty store and Nicole Diary Halloween stamping plates. I'm sorry that I'm posting this a little later. I really wanted to get up my other videos before posting these. Even if you order them right now, you may not receive them timely before Halloween, but I do believe that these have unique and cute designs that will be fit for your Halloween manicures next year, and some of these designs can be also used outside Halloween, so I do hope you don't mind that I am posting this a little later than originally planned, but that's how my filming schedule and uploading schedule worked out. I still hope you will like this video. If you do, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course if you don't want to miss out on any of my upcoming videos, then also please hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate it a lot. So I will link for you everything that I can in the description box. I do have the full size or larger plate from Nicole Diary, but I purchased everything at Born Pretty Store's website, where they also carry Nicole's Diary plates and other products. Yeah, so what I will do, I will just show you some close-up to these plates, then I will swatch them for you, and at the end I will come back and share my thoughts on them. So keep watching. guys, what are your thoughts on these stamping plates from Born Pretty Store and Nicole Diary? I do like them. The quality for both brands is really nothing to complain about. If you did see some bald spots when I picked up the images, again, just remember I'm scraping off larger surface so the polish doesn't get distributed evenly as needed, but when you are picking them up as individual images or designs, you should not have any problems with them unless you get a faulty plate, of course. But all in all, I do like the quality, I do like the designs. However, I did not feel very excited about them. I don't know why. I might be a little spoiled by the selection of Halloween designs that I already own. I just felt like they both fell a little flat for me. They're quite new designs, so they are not repeating any designs from other years, but they seem to be just really flat. So let me know, how do you feel about these plates, if you purchased any of these or if you already own any of these, and how did you like yours? Do you feel the same way, or were you really excited and you created some really fun, amazing Halloween manicures this year? I hope you did like my review. I will leave all the details for you in the description box, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.